Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amit Amshalom, local Portland realtor. Today we're gonna cover the market report of October 2025. We're gonna compare it to September of 2025 and we're gonna compare it to October of 2024 and we're gonna see where the market is going into. And I just have to say that the stats is crazy. Right now we are in one of the best times that we have in the year for sellers specifically. We're gonna dive into it. I will explain in the end of the video, but let's start with the stats and you're gonna see where we are going to. So the new listings has increased 3.6% from the listing has listed in October of 2024, and they decreased 5.3% from the new listing that were listed in September of 2025. What does that mean? The inventory is coming to be lower and lower and lower because a lot of people are waiting right now because holidays, New Year, people waiting for spring, which making the competition much less for home sellers, which can be a great opportunity. We're going to talk about it in the end of the video. Moving forward to the pending sales. Pending sales has decreased 1.5% from the offers as accepted in October of 2024, and they decreased 7.3% from offer accepted in September of 2025. So we still see a little bit of people holding off right now because there is also a lot of buyers that holding off for the holidays and waiting for after school started, they're waiting for springtime, so they have time to move. So also buyers are holding off right now, not just sellers. Moving forward to the closed sales, the closed sale has increased 4.6% from closed sales in October of 2024 and increased 13.2% from closed sales in September of 2025. So for all of you sellers that think that there is not buyers out there is a lot of buyers out there right now. Right now there is great opportunity for you sellers because the buyers are serious and ready to move. Moving forward to the inventory, it's decreased to 3.1 months in October, which is inventory getting really low. And the total days on market has increased to 69 days. So what we can see right now in today's market, there is much less inventory as you can see right now, less listing coming on the market. Still we see buyer activity right now, which is why we see a big closed sales last month compared to the months before. And the time on market has increased a little bit. And why is that? For you home sellers right now that are going to put the house on the market, you may have a little bit of foot traffic, less foot traffic than usually there is. And why is that? Because there is a lot of lookers that are going to wait for the springtime, for when the time will come, will be nicer outside, just looking in houses and scheduling and just going to see houses. Right now, there is less buyers, but the buyers that there is out there really serious, ready to make a move because they have to move. Some people need to move because the job transfer, people want to settle before the holidays, people want to move fast for maybe close on their house before the tax season. So people that looking right now really ready, willing and want to move right now. So for sellers, it is a great time, and you also don't have that much competition. The inventory is really low, and I think it will even continue to be a little bit lower. So buyers has less option of what to choose from. So they compete on less inventory, which even can make you even get a higher price on your house. So year-to-date summary, if we're comparing the first 10 months of 2025 in the same period of 2024, the new listing has increased 2.8%. Pending sales increased 1.1% and closed sales increased 1.9%. We still see the market is improving since last year. So the market is great. Rates are keeping to go down. People making moves. It still feels that maybe prices coming a little bit down, but it's not actually true. My opinion is in 2021, what happened, everybody were overpricing, overbidding, paying much more than what the houses were worth because the interest rate were really low. There was a lot of bidding wars. People were paying 50, 60, maybe even $100,000 more for a house. And since the rate came up back then, the prices started to kind of go to the really actual market value. And this is why people think right now that there is a lot of price reductions and prices are going down. Prices are not going down. They're stable. They're coming back to what they should have been. Just back then, everybody were overpricing, overbidding, and paying more than what houses need to be bought for, because there was a lot of competition. So what we see right now is, when people that bought houses in the past 2-3 years, they try to sell their house right now, they're selling for more or less same price that they bought it before, maybe even a little bit less. So people way overbought in prices in the last few years. So let's now compare the average and median sale price. Comparing 25 to 2024, in October, the average sale price has increased 0.6%. 0.5%, not much, from 611,500 to just below 615,000. The market is still improving, everything going up, everything is great. So my advice for home sellers, if you really want to sell, right now is a really great opportunity for you. You don't have a lot of competition, the inventory is low, there is still a lot of strong, ready, willing, and able buyers to go out there. If you're looking to sell and you were thinking and you don't know what will be a good marketing plan for this time of the year, reach out to me today. I will leave you my contact in the description below, where you can book a free consultation and we can schedule and see what will be the best plan for you guys to make that next move. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.